there! Surf's up! I'm Coconut. I bring the taste of the beach wherever I go. My water is a super hydrator, helping you stay cool and refreshed, like on a beach.
Crack me open for a taste of paradise. Enjoy the tropical vibes.
Hi, I'm Green Banana. I'm firm, fresh, and ready to help you grow.
I am full of resistant starch, which is amazing for keeping your gut healthy.
I'm the perfect healthy snack for your active day. See you around.
Hello, I am Tangerine. I'm small, sweet, and very easy to peel.
I give you a quick boost of vitamin C to keep you feeling bright and happy.
I'm the perfect little snack for your pocket. Have a sweet day.
Greetings! I'm Lychee. I may look rough on the outside, but I'm a sweet pearl inside. I'm rich in polyphenols that help protect your heart and keep you young.
Try a taste of the exotic today. I'm small but filled with love.
Hello! I'm Murcott, also known as the honey tangerine. I'm super sweet.
I'm bursting with vitamin C, helping you stay healthy and full of energy all day.
My sweet taste is a perfect treat. Grab me for a healthy snack.
Hi! We are wild cherries. We grow in the forest, small but full of natural goodness.
We are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and keep you active. Enjoy our tart and sweet flavor in nature's purest form. Stay wild. Greetings! I'm Pomelo, the biggest and gentlest of all citrus fruits.
I'm an excellent source of vitamin C and a wonderful natural hydrator for your body.
Peel away my thick skin to find a sweet, mild surprise. Enjoy!